not one of those people.
Exactly, no, me too.
That's a waste of fucking money. Like, I'd rather cancel it than keep paying. And I know I'm gonna go back, but it's just like it's too much. But now I'm at a place where I'm more like, so I'm gonna start back on. So even when I went in on Tuesday, and Steph was there, and she's like, "Oh my God, where have you been?" I told her everything. She's like, "Oh man, bad." But it's alright. I go once a week for sure, every week on Saturday because I go with my uncle because he has diabetes and I have to make sure he's at least maintaining some form of health. It's here.
So shy. I come there and I thought I so big. And I like hold his arm and he's so